I was putting weights on the machine and one of my clients started to pull down on the machine and swung it up and it hit the bottom of my chin and it wiped out all of my teeth. Just so happened my dentist was working out on the dumbbells and he saw the whole thing, came over. It was all in my hand, a mouthful of teeth. Started the whole process of giving me dentures, and he had to do the bottom and he had to do the top. You know, every time you do a denture, it takes about 6 months for the gums to heal, the bone to heal. So this process is probably around 5 years. For my particular bite and how strong my bite is, he didn't feel the conventional dentures or implants would have held. I'm here and we've gone through the process of fitting it and re-customizing it. So I was glad that John referred me to Jerry to experience this. So I have a much more comfortable, normal eating pattern. As I put that last fitting in, it felt really comfortable, closest to what I had as real teeth.
Visit vitalitydentalarts.com.